During the installation, we will need access to your driveway and a power source on an exterior wall of your home or in the garage to run our compressors. Please make sure to secure all loose belongings and bring your children and pets inside.
Remember, during your roofing project, this is an active construction site. We are going to be removing over 10,000 nails and/or staples when we take off your old roof. We do clean up at the end of every day, and we try to get every single nail, but we are bound to miss a few. Please exercise caution during and in the days after the installation, especially if you have pets or children. Check under your car tires to make sure there are no nails that were accidentally missed.
A typical installation can be anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks or more, depending on the size of your roof.
As discussed with your sales rep and on your contract, there frequently are additional charges to repair rotted wood that is discovered after we remove your old roof. Now, we are not trying to scare you, but this is a major construction project, and we just want you to be aware of all the considerations while we are working on your home.